Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for returning, and I appreciate you all. Hope you're all doing great by the grace of God. Family, today on our menu, we have a simple, delicious Ghanaian snack dish, and it's none other than crispy plantain chips. Without further ado, family, let's get to the kitchen and begin. All right, I'm going to start by peeling off the skins of both my ripe and unripe plantain, which I've washed nicely. And there are so many shapes and ways of cutting your plantain chips. So I'll show you some of them. Okay, so keep watching and go nowhere. Next, I'm going to be cutting my plantains into various shapes and sizes. And this is one of them. I'm cutting them very, very thin, just like this. You can also make them a little bit thicker than this. Okay, it's all by choice and preference. So the first method is done, and with the second method, I'm going to slant my hand and cut them diagonally, sort of, just like so, just like so. You can see it's not like round, but the shape is so nice. Can you see it? Yeah, so cut them in any shape and size of your choice, okay? I'm familiar with these techniques and the way we make the plantain. Make sure the knife is not too sharp to cut your fingers, okay? There are tools for cutting the plantains which makes the work easier, and if you cannot use the knife just like this and scared of cutting your fingers, get yourself one to make things easier for you, okay? The plantains I'm working on right now are the ripe plantains, and now I'm on the next technique. I'm cutting them into round shapes, yeah, just like this, and it's the usual shapes that we see on the market and even at homes because it's the easiest shape to go for. Family, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, alright? Just let me know your thoughts about the video, yeah? Now, let me make sure they are not stuck to each other by separating them, yeah? Next, I'm going to rinse them again in salt solution, but today I'm not adding the salt at the moment. I'll add the salt solution later on. So right now, I'm just rinsing them in normal water. If you want to see when I'll add my salt solution, then keep watching and go nowhere. Alright? And note, family, I'll rinse all of them before frying, okay? So now I'm going to put them in the strainer to strain all the excess water, right? Yeah. Next, family, let's heat up our oil. And if you've noticed, I've just put in a piece of plantain into the oil. Once it floats up and bubbles comes around it, it means the oil is ready to be used for frying. And that is it. It's now time to transfer our plantain strips into our hot oil. Keep on shuffling them in order not for them to stick together. Just like this. Keep on rearranging and shuffling all the time so that in the end they are not stuck together. Mhm. Right now they look so nice and golden, but if you want them crispy, then let them fry for some few more minutes before you just bring them out of the oil. Okay, but before that, it's now time to add my salt solution. I'm going to be sprinkling some of the salt solution on the plantain chips as they are frying, just like this. Once the salt solution is added to the plantain chips at this point, It makes them look glossy, and I love that. In addition, it adds to the taste, and ooh, this is so beautiful. Can you all see that? So glossy, and they are ready to be out of the oil. Mmm, so nice and crispy. Just what I wanted. Family, this is the first batch, and it's all done and beautiful. And family, we're going to repeat the same process with the others, yeah? Family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, and I'll appreciate it, okay? And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, yeah? Once they are all out, I'm going to clean the oil, just like this. Always try your best to clean in between fries, and that'll make all your chips, your meat, your fish, whatever look good, okay? Now keep stirring and shuffling to rearrange the chips just like this so that they do not stick together. I love this shape. It's so beautiful. Again, we are adding the salt solution to make the chips look glossy and ooh, also add taste to the chips. This is so nice. And they are already ready. It's a beautiful rhyme, already ready. Next is our round shapes. Keep shuffling, shuffling, and once they are almost ready, you add your salt solution, just like the previous ones, and then family, you are good to go. Right now, look how glossy, look how beautiful, look how rich these plantain chips are. Now let's take them out of the oil and family continue from there. My kids love them and I love them more. I really enjoyed myself. Now let's fry some peanuts or granuts. Combining these two is so heavily, and I hope you give this a try. Family, I hope you have been inspired enough. So don't forget to like, share, comments on the video, okay? And I'll appreciate it. For more of my videos, family, please follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page. Follow me as well on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay? Also, follow me on TikTok for more updates, yeah? Family, just like that, in no time, our simple and delicious crispy plantain chips are ready. Ooh, look at the outcome. They are so glossy, and I love them together with the peanut or granite. This combination is so heavenly, and you love them. Don't just watch the video, as I always say, give them a try and thank me later. Alright? So now let's see how crispy they are. Mmm. Did you hear the sound? Into my mouth they go. Hey, hey, hey. Beautiful. Yeah. Can you hear the sound as I'm munching on them? They are so loving. But this one wasn't that crispy because I made them in such a way that the kids could enjoy without having any cuts in their mouths. Because when they are crispy, they tend to cut your mouth and the kids wouldn't enjoy that. So I made sure they were not too crispy, yeah? Family, I hope you've been inspired and enjoyed the video. Thank you all for watching till this point. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Bye, y'all.